Haven't seen this in how long, Joy? Do it again.
My book bag is so heavy.
It is? But why?
Because everything is in it.
Like what?
My laptop and my iPad are in here. And I have like 20 cords because I have to charge everything for school.
Oh, poor you. You're going out of town. Still looks the same.
I haven't been here in almost 2 years.
I know. Yeah, go this way. Okay, guys, we're going up to security. We will check in with you later. Actually, I lied. We are going up to check my bag. They're doing testing. Joy never checks her bag. So guess who's always stuck with her carry-on? Me. Me. How you doing back there? Spoken like a true spoiled brat.
She got stopped at TSA for hand sanitizer and I didn't.
Well, okay. So we're going to B. So we're going straight ahead. This is our airport.
All the food places are
No, it's not early. It's in the afternoon.
so it's Corona.
Yeah. They're just not open yet. Hate taking off my shoes. Now my string. Okay. Pick a little shop. I used to take joy in these shops and buy her the kids stuff all the time. Always went in and bought a Chicago shirt or something. Like, we don't live here, but we're B7. Ooh, that little restaurant smells good. But yeah, I got stopped because of my hand sanitizer. They had to put it in a machine, an extra machine, besides the x-ray machine, to make sure that it was
Sketchy.
to make sure I wasn't doing anything sketchy. So my favorite part, the move-in walkway. Joy's favorite part too. Ever since I was a little kid, and same for her. She really just left her bag here. So yeah, we are on the moving walkway. You guys see my Biggie Smalls Notorious B.I.G. shirt. It's what I chose to fly in today. But we are on our way. Big City Chicken. Oh, that's at Navy Pier. That side. Odd is over there. Put my necklace is inside of my shirt. So here we are. B7. Go over by the window. And our lovely aircraft is here. But we still have a long while.
When do we go?
Well, it'll start to board soon. Oh gosh, hold on. They're having fun over there at the bar. Must be taking shots or something. It's not too crowded. I'll come back to you guys. It is time to board our lovely aircraft.
So far, so good.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
It's the plane. Joy did it too.
Okay, remember? Oh, you don't have the water.
Are coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened. Tray table seat backs in the full upright and locked position. Again, all carrying items which includes that purse must be placed on your seat in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 3 lavatories on this aircraft. 2.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life. We're chasing the easy life.
Here we go. I miss this carpet. Lego. feels so weird being here. We haven't been here. Yeah.
No,
We haven't been here since 2019.
April 2019 is the last time we were together.
I know. We would have been back last year, but we couldn't come. Bathroom break.
Never came back.
Hopefully. Oh my gosh. They put a Jersey Mike's in here now. Okay, on to the monorail. Where we're headed. No, we're not headed to Disney. We are headed to someplace special, someplace fun.
Someplace over the rainbow.
You'll find out. Ooh, here it comes. It is pretty busy here. She has our bag on. You're about to say the same thing that I said. Beat you to it. On our red baggage claim. We're not getting on the Magical Express today, folks. Baggage claim. Level 2. We come from Disney, that's where we check in all the time. There's a Universal Studios store here in the hotel. Oh, Joy, it's like your soda. We are in town too. This is a new resort, so I'm very excited to be here. Thank you so much to Universal Studios for gifting me this trip. Nope. We're over here. Over here. Sorry. We were on the way to CityWalk. We just got off of our hotel bus. And we are going up the escalator to go and pick up our tickets from guest services so that we will be ready to get that park time in. And again,